Hello and welcome to Microsoft Word for Beginners course. This is part 6. In this video, we will discuss built-in styles in MS Word, how to apply those built-in styles, how we can create a new style, modify and update our created style. In our internet document, we have applied various types of formatting commands like font colors, size. When these formattings are combined together, they form a style. A style is a predefined combination of font, style, color and size that can be applied to any text in your document. There are 5 different categories of styles in MS Word: character styles, paragraph style, table style, a list style, and plus we have the last style as the linked style. To apply a style to text or to the entire document, first you have to select the paragraph. Say we want to apply a style to this the first paragraph. Select it. Under your home tab and the styles group, various styles are available. You can choose a style from the list which is here. We have heading 1, heading 2, title. You can see the changes in the document area itself. Different font sizes are associated with each of these styles. Just choosing a style will that particular style will be applied to the selected text. Say we choose heading 2 for our document. By default, normal style, which is based on the global template normal.dotm, it is available when you create a blank document. Let's select heading 2. You can see the changes in the document. Anytime you want to make changes to the style, select it and choose a different style for yourself. Let's go back to the normal style. This is the normal style. To create a new style, there are 2 ways. Either you can make a selection to the paragraph and make changes, apply different types of formatting effects to it and then save it, or create a style opening the dialog. Let us first see how we can create a style based on the selection. I have selected the first paragraph. Let us apply different formatting effects to it. Change the font to Times New Roman. Change the font size to 14. We want a darker color, say this color, and italic. The text should be italic. This style which we have created, we want to save it. Click on the drop down available and you can see create a style option. Click on create a style. A dialog box will open which will say create new style from formatting. Give a name to the style which you have created. Say style from selection and click on OK. You can see the style in this option which is available, style from selection, in the list. This is one method. The second method of creating a style is clicking on the dialog box launcher. It will open the styles pane. Now your styles pane, it is movable and dockable. You can place it anywhere in your document. All the various styles which are available in the list, you can see them here also. You can scroll and see. To create a new style, click on last at the bottom of this style pane. You can see a create new style button. Click on this button. Create new style from formatting dialog box opens. You have to specify the name of the style, say style underscore new. With this is the name of the style. You can specify the type, paragraph, table. You can choose various formatting options. It will be shown in the preview box. You can change the color, say black color. Change the size to say 16. Change it to a different font so that it is visible. You can apply this only to in this document or any new document, which is, if you are creating a template, it can be saved for those other documents as well. All these settings have been specified. Click on OK. Changes have been applied. You can go back and see the new style. This is the new style. Let's apply it to this paragraph. Here the changes are visible. We have created a style based on the selection and then making changes. You can create a new style from the styles pane also using the create new button. Any style which you have created or any built-in style, if you want to make any modification to that style, it can be done. It is very easy. Right click on the style which you have created, say style new, which we have created, and click on modify. The right click, the context menu which appears, click on modify. The modify style dialog box opens for you. The preview is available. All the formatting options are available. You can choose and select for yourself. Say we want a different color for the style and the size should be changed. I want to make it bold. Any changes you can do in this dialog box, modify style dialog box, and click on OK. The changes are visible. To update a style based on selection, select, make the changes. I'm not satisfied with this style. I want it black, and the font should be, say, this should be the font. Right click and select update style to match the new selection. The changes are visible in the document, whatever changes you have made to the style, and those changes are also saved in the style which you have created. Anytime you want to check, right click and open the modify style dialog box. You can check. Earlier it was Algerian, now it is Calibri. The changes have been made and those changes have been saved as well. In this video, we have seen how we can use a built-in style in our document, how one can create their own style, modify and update the style, any built-in style or the style which you have created. You can also use the style which you have created in a template, and later on a new document can be based on that style of which you have created. In the next video, we will discuss how to work with templates, the built-in templates, and how we can create our own template. Till then, take care, stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and thank you for watching this video.